Alright, we're going to do a full court press box, 6 factory sealed packs, 1 dual promo card, and 1 bonus item per box. Full court press basketball. Got it at Walmart for $14.98. My son's going to do the opening, so go ahead.
Packs you got.
Okay, wait. Put the promo card to the end. Okay, let's see what we got.
So.
Is that the bonus item?
That must be bonus item.
That must be bonus item. They didn't give. Yeah.
Oh, I opened it from the back.
All right, we got
15-16 NBA trading cards complete. NBA hoops, 5 cards per pack, and that's it. The year.
Turn it around.
Prestige 2009.
Okay.
And the Prestige 2010 through 11.
Adrenaline.
Look for. Wait, never mind.
Okay.
So.
And the old school packs.
494, 95
Should be a
basketball
couple
cards.
of them. Yeah.
Yeah, I got another one.
And
first edition 2009.
Okay, so you want to do the packs first or do
Packs.
Okay, so which one you want to do first?
Let's put them in order. I was going to pick random ones.
Okay. So what are you opening right now?
The complete.
Okay, 5 cards per pack. Hold this. Don't cross it.
Yeah, I can't open.
Huh? Alright. There you go.
Alright, so.
Alright, who we got?
Brandon Jennings. Trevor Ariza. David Lee. Willie Cauley-Stein
from Kansas City.
And we got Mark Castle.
Gasol.
Oh, Gasol.
Alright. Which one next?
Let's pick random ones.
What are you opening?
Oh, yeah. Upper Deck 2008-2009.
You want me to open them? And you tell them?
Yeah.
Would that be easier? That'll work. Alright, here we go. Paul
Gasol.
Mark, you just got Mark, which was his brother.
Marcus Williams.
Maurice Williams.
Oh. Michael
Finley.
Oh,
I know it's kind of hard to read with the writing. Uh-oh.
Magic Johnson.
Got a Magic Johnson. It's pretty cool.
Darnell Jackson.
KU. See the KU? That's cool. We're KU fans.
Baron Davis.
StarQuest.
What's his name?
Yao Ming.
Where does it say?
Corey Brewer.
Oh. Daquan Cook.
And
Mike Dunleavy.
Okay, which one you want to do next? You're going to open that? Okay, we're going to do a Prestige. So not expecting a whole bunch out of this box, but a lot of different packs to open and on it. So we've got
Michael Cooper.
And these are stuck together.
Robert Parrish.
So some old school cards here.
Jailian. Tyler Hansbrough. Elton Brand.
So no hits yet. Which one next? Alright, we got Prestige 2010-2011. John Wall on the front.
Jeff Green. Shane Battier. Steve Nash. Avery Bradley.
Rookie Avery Bradley.
LaMarcus Aldridge. James Jones.
Taj Gibson.
James Worthy.
Another James Worthy.
Tony Kukoc.
Tony Kukoc.
Connie
Hawkins.
Hawkins. Some of these guys' names can't even read.
You doing the old ones last?
Yeah. Maybe you get a Jordan in it.
Might get a Jordan in it. NBA hoops.
Oh, she's chasing mice.
Did you see one?
She went over there.
So
Probably gonna save the old ones for last because
Oh,
there
yeah.
might be a Michael Jordan or something good.
Marcus Morris, KU. Andre Bargnani. Tom Thibodeau. Chris Bosh. Greg Popovich.
Oh, you got LeBron James. Oh, this is the Kobe Bryant and LeBron James era. Pass.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. This is the Adrenaline Pack. Mike Miller. Matt Bonner. JJ Garea. Mamet Tokup. Andres Burdens. Vladimir Radmanovic. So, no real big hits in any of the packs. $15, didn't really expect much. Now we're going to do the old clear basketballs. My son's hoping for a Jordan. These cards are probably going to be stick together. Yes, they are. Bad. I have a feeling they're going to rip because they're so old. John Starks, and you see it's ripping the stuff off the cards because they're so old. Jeff Turner. Chris Webber. Reggie Williams. Dwayne Coswell. Muggsy Bogues.
Kobe.
George
no.
Lynch.
I was wrong.
No, Kobe wasn't playing then, buddy.
No, I thought it. Oh yeah, so I thought that's a
Tom Chambers. Todd Day. Mitch Richmond. Got a Nick Van Exel. Rookie sensation. That's pretty cool. I remember Nick Van Exel playing. These things are stuck together bad. I can't even.
Might have to rip them.
Rick Smits. I would say in all the breaks I've seen on this, these cards have been stuck together, and this is something they need to fix because, I mean, look at that. Tore the card up. Byron Russell. Yeah. Chris Gatling right there. I mean, you can't even get these cards apart. Reggie Bullock. There's a Gary Payton in there. Anthony Peeler. Chris Mullen. I mean, you can't even open these cards. Which is kind of a waste of packs because...
I'm gonna recommend them.
But... I don't really think it's worth $15. Not the stuff that we've gotten so far. At all. And I mean, all these are just stuck together. Clarence Witherspoon. Anthony Mason. George Mirasan. Chris Morris. Robert Pack. Haywood Workman. There's the old school Cavs. If I can get the thing. Mark Price for the Cavs. Donald Royal. Doug Smith. Got George Mirasan, rookie sensation. Howard Ellis. These ones ain't stuck together as bad. Well, yeah, they are. These right here. I mean, you can't even open them. Fat Lever. His name's Fat Lever. Eric Murdoch. But John Barry. Christian Leitner. A.C. Earl. Ed Pickney. And last two. Sam Perkins, Doug West. So now if you want to show them the bonus that we got, you want me to open it?
I think I got it.
You
Yeah.
think you got it?
Yep.
The bonus you got was some cards, extra cards.
What?
Star Quest card. There's another Star Quest.
Why does it show that? Oh, Dwayne Wade.
Dwayne Wade. That's pretty cool. So, got a Star Quest Dwayne Wade as the extra bonus. And then our card we got is a Markel Fultz. So, you either get Fultz, Ball. Fultz or Ball is what you get. And we got Fultz. Turn around. On the back, Allen Iverson. That's pretty cool. It's number 2190 of 4,000. So, it's up to you. I don't think it's really worth it. Do you think it's worth it?
No.
No. But that's a chance you take on them. So, and some way to open up some older packs and get some newer packs and get a guaranteed hit and all that. So, but once again, that's a fast break box. They have them at or a full court box. My bad. I got them at Walmart. So.